This girl noticed a mother duck near her swimming pool, panicking about her babies trapped inside. She didn't waste a second. She grabbed a small net and started gently lifting each duckling out of the water, trying to scoop up as many as she could at once. But they kept swimming away from her, making it so much harder. And just when she thought she'd gotten them all, one tiny duckling started zooming around the pool like it was playing a game. She had to chase it down. But finally, after all that effort, she rescued every single one. And to her surprise, the mother duck looked right at her and wagged her little tail as if to say thank you.